how to contact Flight Club customer support. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can contact Flight Club's customer support. So if you need assistance with Flight Club, whether it's your order, returns, or any other sneaker related queries, Flight Club has you covered. So how do you contact the support? The first step is to log in into the Flight Club account. Once you're logged in, move to the top right corner where you can see your account icon. So once you can see that, click on it. Then after that, some options will be displayed, such as my account, my orders, support, sign out. So just go ahead and click on support. So after clicking on support, you'll be taken to the support page. So on this page, you can see Flight Club support. You can decide to search out your concerns by making use of certain keywords, and then articles that have addressed such questions will be displayed. You can just read the article and then answers will be granted. Alright, so you can see some of the articles here. How is Flight Club different from other footwear retailers? What determines the price of shoes? How can I find a specific shoes? I have experience. I am expressing issues, checking out and all of that. So check all of this to see if you fall under any of this category. Alright, so this is a major way of contacting the support, and another way is by submitting your request. Okay, and how can you do so? Move to the top right corner and click on submit request. This is if you've tried checking out articles and you could not still find answer to your question. So by clicking on submit a request, you'll be asked to send to enter your email address, then type in the subject of your concern, then select where you belong to. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? Depending on the kind of issue you have, then enter in the order number, which is optional. Okay, then describe the request, attach your files. It could be a screenshot or wherever. Click submit, and then response will be sent to you via the email that you've submitted here within few hours or at most 2 days. Okay, so basically this is how you can contact Flight Club support. All right, well, I would advise that you try checking out these articles too, in case you need an urgent response. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.